the sky's the limit. That's how much money you can make from trading. That's also how much you can lose without all the right tools to trade smarter in today's market. But a lot of people miss out on this because often it's quite expensive, complicated, and inefficient. What if you can access a single software that makes it easier to analyze your trading performance? It wasn't possible before, but now it is. Hi, I'm John from FixyTrade. Today I'll share with you how FixyTrade answers all your trading problems with 6 amazing built-in features, all in a single platform. These features are designed to streamline your trading activities, to optimize your performance and improve your trading skills. Feature number 1, reports. The first step to improve your trading is to understand it. This translates to many hours of organizing and analyzing data. FixyTrade fixes this. See your trading data in an instant. The reports feature allows you to access everything you need to know about your trades in one single interface. Ultra precise and rendered in a clean and simple way. Feature number 2, journal. Studies have shown an increase in success of up to 85% for traders who keep a journal. But who has the time to write things down or take screenshots to be stored on your computer while the action is happening? Forget handwritten notes, complicated Excel sheets, and copying daily trades. With FixyTrade, all your data are instantly imported into a journal, so you can easily keep track, analyze, and improve trading efficiency. Simple, accurate, and convenient. Feature number 3, goals. This user-friendly and fully customizable feature automatically calculates the differences between your current results and your goals. Choose goals for the period that best suits you, so you can maintain full control of your trades, monitor your progress, and stay on the right track. Feature number 4, tags. FixyTrade allows you to create tags linked to your strategies. This means that you can easily view the profits and losses made for each of your tags, a great way to easily and quickly identify a winning strategy. Feature number 5, automation. Save hours best spent on increasing your income. Enjoy access to automated tools and all the information that you need to improve your trading performance. That's all your data synchronized in real time at your fingertips, so you can have every advantage and chance for success in trading. Even time will be on your side. Feature number 6, integrations. FixyTrade also connects easily and securely to your trading accounts. Connect with your favorite broker. Integrate an unlimited number of your accounts into a single, ultra-secure interface, and it takes less than 1 minute to get started. If you're interested in boosting your performance, get the best out of every trade, and increase your income, then FixyTrade is your perfect partner. Get all the advanced tools you need in one easy-to-use package. Best of all, it's free. Begin today.
Hi there, Emily here from FixyTrade Academy. Use FXCM to connect FixyTrade to automate your trading analysis and save time. FXCM moves trading data between FixyTrade and your trading account automatically. You can link your trading account with a few clicks so they can share data. Plus, there's no code required and it can be set up in minutes. So now let's walk through the steps to make it work with FixyTrade. To get started, log into your FXCM account. On the top right of your dashboard, click on your account number, then click API token. On this window, re-enter your password and click Accept Terms and Generate Token. Then copy-paste the REST API access token created by FXCM to your FixyTrade account. You should know that these credentials are secure, unique, and created especially for you by FXCM. All exchanges are integrated with read access only API keys on the exchange accounts, and all API keys are encrypted and securely stored. Well done! Now it's time to test your account synchronization by clicking here. Once your test runs successfully, your account is ready. You can start to trade, wait for the next sync depending on your FixyTrade plan, and your trades will be automatically added to your FixyTrade account. Hi there, Emily here from FixyTrade Academy. Use MetaTrader 4 to connect FixyTrade to over hundreds of brokers to automate your trading analysis and save time. MetaTrader 4 moves trading data between FixyTrade and your trading account automatically. You can link your trading name account with a few clicks so they can share data. Plus, there's no code required and it can be set up in minutes. So now let's walk through the steps to make it work with FixyTrade. To get started, log into your MetaTrader 4 account. You need to be connected to a valid broker account in MetaTrader 4 to make it work. After adding a trading account on FixyTrade, you will be able to start. To do so, on the top left of your dashboard, click Tools and then click Options. On this window, select FTP, then copy-paste the FTP server URL from FixyTrade to MetaTrader 4. Do the same for FTP username and FTP password. You should know that these credentials are secure, unique, and created especially for you. All exchanges are integrated with read access only API keys on the exchange accounts, and all API keys are encrypted and securely stored. Then, if it's not already checked, please check passive mode and enable automatic publishing of reports via FTP. Then enter your trading account number, which you can find here on your dashboard. Well done. Now it is time to test your account synchronization by clicking Test and check on Journal for more information. Once your test runs successfully, your account is ready. You can start to trade, wait for next sync depending on your FixyTrade plan, and your trades will be automatically added to your FixyTrade account.